This is the faceplate and upper tension assembly of a Lada treadle sewing machine made in Czechoslovakia, probably before 1935. It came to me incomplete. I had a tension stud. I had this nut, which is metric, so I'm glad I had it. And I had obviously the housing as well as this thread check spring here. I had no other pieces of the tension assembly. And let me show you how it works, how I think it works, how I made it work. Pure invention. Let's back this guy up a bit. Whoop, wrong way. Okay. I made a stud that goes from the back to the front here. And when I push on this, you can see that it moves the outer tension disc. So that little pin is caught by the shoulder of the pressure bar lever. So that's how that works. These are replacement discs, obviously. Okay, metric nut. Whoop, metric. Woo nut. Okay. Beehive spring, probably from a 66 rebuild kit. I have no idea. Singer tension discs. I had to drill this hole bigger because the shoulder of this is too big for the Singer discs. All right, and this little guy right here is my amazing, ugly, miraculously yet functional tension release pin. I took a nail and I ground it on a grinding wheel, sawed it with a hacksaw, and I didn't give it a lot more love than that. I think it maybe could be just a little bit longer on the back, but that was the last piece of the tension assembly that I need. I will investigate someday the check spring and the function of this mysterious guy, which goes up and down when the pressure foot goes up and down. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.